Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to test the masticating juicer that I bought, and I'm going to be preparing grapefruit juice. The reason I chose to prepare the grapefruit juice is because of the loads and several health benefits of grapefruit. It's loads in vitamin C and vitamin A. Some studies have reported that daily intake of grapefruit juice or grapefruit as a whole helps to prevent diabetics, improves the immune system, and we know that vitamin C is one of the basic needs that the body needs in boosting our immune system. So I'm going to be making grapefruit juice. Come, let's test the masticating juicer and also let us know how loud or noisy it is. Let's get started. So now I'm going to switch on the juicer. And I can start juicing. I'm going to be using the soft version. It doesn't require too much pressing before it went through. See the pellets. That's all I got from 2 grapefruits. There is no pump inside there. Everything went through, which is awesome. Able to get a glass of juice from just 2 grapefruits. Exciting, right? Great. So it's really easy to use, and now it's time for us to clean our juicer. It's interesting to note that even though I've turned off the juicer, you can hear some sound that is still connected to the electricity. Now the sound is gone. So I'm going to fill a bowl with water to clean up the juicer. This is the brush, so I'm going to fix this on mesh. You see, brush it out. This is the brush, so I'm going to fix this on mesh. You see, brush it out. The brush that came with it. So easy to clean. All cleaned up. As you can see, that's the masticating juicer. The Joku masticating juicer is not noisy, and from just 2 grapefruit I was able to get a glass of juice. I'm really excited with this purchase, and I'm going to be trying different combinations, and I promise to make a video of all the different combinations that I'll be trying and share the recipe with you guys later. And thank you for watching. Loaded with vitamins, good for the immune system. It helps with metabolism. So having this grapefruit, I'm feeling happy already. Is happiness part of the don't mind me, I'm only joking. But with this masticating juicer, I'm going to be getting more fruits. One of the reasons why some don't eat fruits is because they find it like they are too busy to chew. Sounds silly, right? Yeah, actually that was me. I always find it difficult to finish 2 apples in one sitting, but with the juicer, getting 3 apples into my bloodstream shouldn't be that difficult at all. In the comment section, you can share with me your favorite juice combination, your favorite fruits that you combine to make your juice. I will be trying them out. Until next time when we meet, guys, get a glass of juice and enjoy.